So this is Christmas at my family's house. Just want to say hi, and I want to introduce to everybody at the Im and Dan's residence. So here's everybody. Here's my little brother, Kevin. Say hi, Kevin. Say Merry Christmas. What do you like about Christmas? Being Christmas? Do you like gifts? Do you like being happy? Do you like food? What do you like about Christmas? You get to see me, right? Okay. I'm long. Merry Christmas to everybody. Yeah.
Thank you,
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. This is I love you so much.
I love you too.
I'm long way. I love you. Okay. This is a video. This is home. Yeah. Merry Christmas. What do you?
Merry Christmas to you too. Okay? 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 Okay.
Hey, Mom, what do you want to say about Christmas? This is going on YouTube, okay? What do you want to say about Christmas? What do you like the most about Christmas?
I like the most about Christmas.
Yeah.
We at home with the kids.
Yeah.
And having fun, have some food.
And win lottery.
You know,
Win lottery.
And I want you to quit smoking and drinking.
oh, okay. No cameraman, man.
I want my little boy back.
Oh, no.
I want my little boy back.
Love you, Mom. I'm gonna show you on video soon. Why? Hey, is there everybody else? Hey, this is my little sis. I love her to death. What do you love most about Christmas?
I like having all our family together.
Yeah, it's rare. I mean, you know, we've been through a lot of things, and like, you know, we don't get a chance to see each other often, but you know, Christmas and special occasions brings us together. So this is, you know, Sophia, I love her with all my heart.
Love you.
Oh, this is my cousin Catherine here, you know what I mean? No, my cousin and my cat. And my cat. You know what I mean? Lena and Cat, my cousin and my cat. Okay. You know what I mean? I love you guys to death. What does Christmas mean to you guys, and what about Christmas means the most to you?
Christmas means family, and what I love most about Christmas is that family gets together and all hang out and stick each other.
Yeah, exactly. How about you, Kat? I mean, what's...
Christmas together is like really like having fun with people we love. So I just like this. Sorry.
And you get to see crazy cousin Piggy, right? Remember? Yeah, he's just getting drunk, so he's acting
Pretty crazy right now. You don't see the food?
Oh, this is the food.
And you don't eat whatever.
No, I'm gonna eat, Mom. I'm gonna eat, but I'm gonna. Right when I came here, you said I was fat, so I'm not gonna eat. I'm not gonna eat.
Roast beef, turkey, mashed potato, turkey salad, dressing.
My mom made turkey salad. Is delicious. Oh, I love it. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Mom. I love you. Thank you for being the best mom.
But you have to eat because you're too skinny.
I'm not too skinny. I'm fat. I love you, Mom. Have Merry Christmas.